Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps and today is day 2 of our Amsterdam Netherlands trip. We are in the process of packing our bags to head out. I'll do that while I'm talking. Save time because I've literally got 10 minutes. We are going cycling today and a beach trip. Essentially, we are taking the bus from here, which is just north of Schiphol Airport, taking the bus to the city of Haarlem, which we're going to explore for an hour or so, just so we've seen it because it's on the way where we're heading anyway. Then we're heading to Zandvoort, where we're going to rent bikes, cycle down the coast to some tulip fields, possibly windmills, and explore. Yeah, today should be really fun. The day I was looking forward to the most because I want to see all the fields, and whilst it is definitely nice seeing city and stuff, I want to see like the Netherlands countryside, what the actual country is like. Not sure how much bikes are going to cost. We looked at a bike rental place in Amsterdam yesterday and it was €15 for 24 hours rental. So probably expecting to pay that sort of price today for the day. I'll update you when we rent the bikes. Until then, let's go and head for the bus now. There is the bus station thingy right there, that shelter there. And this is our hotel. 5-minute walk across, hop on the bus, and you're set. Simple. Over there is the airstrip beyond that bus. We just saw a plane take off right there. It was very low, it kind of scared me because I didn't realise the airstrip was right there. But yeah, there's Schiphol Airport. My hotel's just behind it. We didn't walk it like I said we could yesterday, we took one of those shuttle buses. But yeah, very simple to get in and out of Amsterdam and stuff from here. Brilliantly located hotel, and the shuttle buses are free to get to and from the airport from the hotel. We have arrived in Haarlem. We're outside Haarlem train station, where we can also get the bus from. We'll be getting the bus to Zandvoort in a bit. The buses are over there. Time to explore Haarlem, I guess, and possibly see if there's somewhere I can do some hyperlapses, because that's one thing I was wanting to get out of this trip. I wanted to put together a sequence of 6 or 7 hyperlapses. Already on the bus in, we've seen there's quite a few nice buildings here, so already a nice area. We're saying it would be a nice place to live. A bit different from Amsterdam, a bit less built up, a bit less urban because it's a smaller city, more like Exeter. But that's what I like these smaller cities just to look around. It shows you a bit more of an insight to what it's like living in the country rather than just living in a capital city, I guess, which I find quite nice. So yeah, we're going to spend an hour or 2 here in Haarlem. We'll get in the bus over to Zandvoort, where we'll hire bikes and cycle down the coast. First impressions of Haarlem, I really like this place. Seems very much like Amsterdam with the rivers and stuff. Well, the river, there's just one main river from what I've seen. But always kind of very Dutch style houses. And it's very chill as well, not the hustling, bustling atmosphere of the capital city, which I felt we had momentarily in Amsterdam. We weren't there for long yesterday. I need to go and explore the canals more properly. But it's a lot more chill here. A couple of cars now and then. This one's down there. Very peaceful. Yeah, I like this place. Also, the cathedral is just down the road down there, and we're going to head there now. I have split up from the others now as I am recording a few hyperlapses to put into a travel video. I'm outside the main cathedral now of Haarlem, if I'm even saying that right. This place is amazing though. Also, I picked up a couple new lenses before this trip, which I've only talked about one of them on the channel before. One of them the Sigma mm f1.4, which is what I said about. The other one I got 2 days before the trip, 50mm f1.4. Sorry, I'd brighten you up a bit. Yeah, Canon 50mm f1.4 is my other new lens. I sold the f1.8 on eBay got the f1.4 now, bit of an upgrade, so yeah, I've been shooting on that as well. This is nice, look. Over there, the main square, I'm sure you'll see a few more clips of that. That's where I'm heading now. Get a few more hyperlapses and I'll meet the others in a bit. A matcha with tapioca and lychee jelly, please. I just found a bubble tea store, so seeing as I work in one and I love bubble tea, I had to try it out. Got a matcha with tapioca pearls, lychee jelly. Now I need to go back and find the others. They were with me a moment ago and they wandered off when I went in the shop, so I need to find out where they are. We're in Zandvoort right now. Just hired bikes. Now we're heading north towards the Formula 1 track, where I hope for some sand dunes because I'd love to have some clips and photos there. Bike hire was €10 until they close, which unfortunately is 5 o'clock and it's 2 o'clock now, so we only got 3 hours. Could have had a whole day had we been sooner, but obviously we had to go to Haarlem on the way. Yeah, I managed to use a gorilla pod to stabilise you on the front of the bike right now. Let's see what cool clips we can get. Over there, beyond that white building, is the race course, Formula 1 course. Can't really see a better way over to it, unfortunately, because all the way down here is pretty barriered off. But yeah, we are next to Zandvoort F1 racetracks, and I think we're going to cycle on a bit further now once my blood sugars have come up a bit. We are currently forced onto the beach because my blood sugars are low. Don't really know what to do, can't cycle off until my blood sugars are up, obviously. Had my fast acting sugar, gonna have these bacon egg sandwiches which I bought as emergency stuff earlier because they're only like €3 or something, so I thought, well, if I ever need them, I'll have them, and I need them now. And I guess that'll be my lunch as well as the lunch I also have, yogurt and a roll. I guess I'll just eat it all because I need that carbohydrates just to sustain my cycling. Yeah, chilling on the beach for 10 minutes or so. We're coming back here later for sunset, but not bad to just chill with my sandwiches for 10 minutes before we cycle off again. I was hoping to get some sort of dune photo and B-roll and footage, but everything around here seems to be owned by some sort of campsite. So if it's all owned by a campsite, I can't really go on the land and do it. That's just staying there, so yeah, I guess we're just going to cycle back to the beach, meet up with Tony and Ellie, decide what the plan is from there.